My name's Steve and welcome to the Seaside Allotment channel, and today I thought we'd just check in on the progress on the beans. Some of them are doing pretty well, some of them are doing pretty badly. I'll show you the differences. Let's have a look. So this little beauty is my pride and joy. There's a purple climbing French bean here and a Cobra green French bean, and we've got a lot of flowers coming now on these. And I've been pinching them out, of course, to encourage them to grow. Let's see if we've got a few flowers that are out now. If I can line the camera up right. I just love the look of it. I really do. I'm so looking forward to the beans. So that's my best anyway. And that survived in here despite quite a few frosts in a bubble wrap tent that looks a bit like that one that's around the cucumber, but taller. And then as it got higher and higher and higher, we just wrapped a bit of fleece around it and seemed to thrive. So this is the runner bean, and incredible number of flowers on this baby. And again, I'm pinching out the tops. I did have one bean die on me with the one that was on this cane here. Yeah, that's why this one doesn't look quite as lush, but still, I'm pretty pleased. Good prospect of early runner beans on this one. And you'd be surprised actually how many beans just these two, the French bean and the runner bean, can produce. Certainly enough for 3 or 4 meals a week for Debbie and I. So that is pretty good for a tiny bit of space really in the polytunnel. Now I'll warn you, things don't look so good in here, where we've had quite a few casualties to the mid-May frost, but still a reasonable number survived, and so I'm still fairly hopeful that it's been worthwhile planting these. But I won't be doing it next year, just because they do so well in the polytunnel. It doesn't seem worthwhile to take the risk on these, so I won't actually be sowing my dwarf French beans until about the last week in April, with a view to planting them out about the 20th of May, something like that. But I'll still probably put them under one of these low tunnels, because you can have some pretty foul weather in late May and early June. So back at home, my beans have been in little tents like this, and I've taken the tents off now, and this is the runner bean, and it's doing really great. It's really enjoyed its life under fleece and bubble wrap, whereas ironically these French beans haven't, but these did get frosted in April, so it's kind of no surprise that these aren't looking so good. I'm not really worried, because obviously these are outside. I've got lots of new beans coming along that will be ready in June time. But yeah, I'm really quite surprised at how well this is doing. Let's see, it's needs some of these training in a bit, but anyway. Yeah, so just shows you, even outside with the right protection, this is a nice sheltered little spot in the corner of the garden, and the garden's looking quite nice. This is my little hardening off table. I've just moved the beans out, so these trays are my main crop beans, and my objective always is to sow about a month before I plant out, and so these module trays are fine for plants for 3 or 4 weeks, and of course that'll be early June It'll be perfect time for them. Some of them are going on wigwams in the front garden, and some of them are going on the main beam frame on Jennie's plot, and then some will replace maybe those sickly looking French beans that we've just seen, but maybe not. They've got a few weeks to catch up. So I hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.